Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I have a prize that I want to share with you all today. But first I want to say a big shout out thank you to Tmika, who scrapped the world, and to Natasha, who is Polite Creations. I just had a fabulous time with them. They had a virtual crop, and it was September 24th, so it was perfect for me because it was the night before my birthday. And we created a few projects with them. Tmika taught us and shared with us SVG, and it was a pretty awesome class. Nevertheless, the girls, we all had fun. It was so much fun. And so let me just share with you my projects, what they look like, how they came out. So the first class was Tmika's class. The first class we had was the SVG, and it was her little TV. Mine came out because I used my Cricut, and Tmika uses silhouette. So when you try to cut with a silhouette design, you make sure, you have to be sure to use the SVG file when you open it in Cricut. And then when you do open them in Cricut, the proportions become smaller, or the size becomes smaller. So to rectify that, you just have to select all of the images at the same time and then resize it to the size that you want. It sounds complicated, but if you play with your Cricut and your program enough, you'll know how to resize the objects. So anyway, mine came out to about 3x4, just a little bit smaller than that. I'm not counting the legs, but this is mine, and it's supposed to be a gift box. So I jumped the gun and I only created the one box, and I told Tmika I would create the gift box of the version that she had given us. So what it is, you get two cut files. It's a box, the bottom and the top. And I'm not going to teach you guys how to do it. You create her box using her SVG, and this is the base. And what you do is you connect the back of this box to one of the TV frames, and then I'm not going to teach you, but I'll show you what you're supposed to do. So this is the bottom of your box. This is the back. You glue it to that, and that becomes the base of the box. And then you create the lid. It's a different depth of box. So when you create the lid, let me see. Sorry, guys. You attach the back side of this to your TV front, and then it goes together like a box with the lid. So that's what we learned. So I learned the hard way, but I will put that box together and I'll share it with you all. I didn't put any shaker bits in here. I did put acetate front so it could have a TV effect. And Tmika pointed it out that I'm not really retro because I didn't put my speaker in the right place and I didn't put my knobs in the right place, but I'm okay. I'm okay with that. It's use your imagination day, okay? And so I used, the cut file does come with antennas, you can see right there. But what I did, I attached some Dollar Tree foam bones, and you guys can find that at Dollar Tree. I just used it to attach to my antennas. And I used the paper collection from the Fairy Tale Club. And I believe this is like a two-year-old Halloween collection. So anyway, that's what I created for her class. Natasha was teaching us how to use our inks. Now, mind you, I had inks, but I did not have alcohol, and I didn't have all the other extra stuff that we were supposed to acquire. So I just used what I had. And she told us we could use the paper that works well with the inks, or you could use vellum or other paper suggestions that she had on her outline. But I use vellum, and I played, this is the inking part right here. This is the vellum layer. And I used my inks, and I used actually water. So I just took water and splattered it, and then I used the brush to spread it out. Or not my brush. Did I use my brush? No, I used a straw to blow the ink all the way, all over the vellum. So that's what it looked like. And then I used Wink of Stella on top of that, once I was happy with it. So I used my Wink of Stella. Wink of Stella. I picked these up at Hobby Lobby. Oh gosh, long time ago. But anyway, that's what I did. And then I added some trim, some ribbon, more ephemera pieces. This is from the Fairy Tale Club, her Halloween collection. I did not put a sentiment though. The only sentiment I put was on the front. Okay, so I did use my gold marker, went around the edging here and around my shaker. This is the KS Crafts potion bottle, shaker potion bottle. I picked this up just recently and I got to play with it. And I added more of her Fairy Tale Club's ephemera. And I cut out some die cut words, which is brew, that came with this die cut right here for the shaker bottle. And added some more trim here. I added some flowers from my stash and gold edging, and you could see the Wink of Stella on there. And that's my inside. So I left it blank. And with this class, Natasha had us use whatever size paper that we wanted to play with the inks. I used an 8.5 by 11 vellum, printable vellum. And that's what I did. And then I cut it up. And with that size, you can make 2 A6 cards and a slimline card, I guess. My slimline is about 4 inches by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.5. 4 inches by 8.5. And that's what I used. Part of the vellum class, we used a stencil. We did heat embossing. Well, I did heat embossing, and a majority of it is covered up with all of the ephemera that I added to the front of this card. But my card opens up length or horizontal like that. Added some flowers from my stash. Added some bat sequins here from my stash. Took my gold pen and edged everything. Went around some of the ephemeras. I highlighted it with the gold marker. I did the bottom edge of my Halloween sentiment, and then I added the pumpkins from the Fairy Tale Club. The pumpkins, the house, and the Halloween are from Fairy Tale Club. Rosettes are from my stash. Flowers are from my stash, and all that good stuff. You can see I did some stencil in the background here. I used a doily because I didn't have stencils. So doily and some soot ink. So that's what I created for this online crop with Natasha and Tmika. And in the process of this class, we were given opportunities to win prizes, and I won one prize. I did. And it is a prize from the Cardstock Warehouse. And it was a $25 gift card, and that's the label. How cute. So let me cut this open and then we could see my paper selections. They're not too fancy. I really just wanted to test the quality of the cardstock. I got 12 by 12 cardstock, and this is my first time shopping their website. Thank you, Tmika and Natasha. I know Tmika does use Cardstock Warehouse, and I'm pretty excited because her projects are gorgeous and sturdy and all that good fun stuff. So let's see what's in the box. It's well packaged. Ooh, extra goodie. I got some of the what is this called? This paper? I don't remember. But look at my receipt. That's so cute. Oh my gosh. So I picked up the Almost Perfect Paper Sale Matte 12 by 12. This is the matte finish. And oh gosh, I'm just showing all my information. Anyway, oh, how cute. They put some glitter there. Thank you for shopping with us. I got black 12 by 12. I got the Almost Perfect Paper Sale red, white, and green Christmas assorted. Almost Perfect pink. They're all 12 by 12, guys. And Almost Perfect purple, of course. I got pink in honor of Tmika, and purple, of course, for the purple lovers. Who it is? I don't know. Raise your hand if you're a purple lover. But look at how it's packed. How cute. Look at their little label. Oh, that's so cute. That is so cute. Well wrapped. Love it. Look at this. So excited. I got black cardstock, but I want to see the quality. If you all have shopped with cardstock warehouse, let me know. Golly. Ooh, she thick, girl. This is not a Michael's paper. She is thick. Ooh. You hear that? Oh, like thunder. I'm ridiculous. I love it. And I wanted the matte because I can use it in more of my everyday projects too, not necessarily just for Halloween, but this is gonna be so awesome. Tmika and Natasha, you host another one of these crops, I am there, baby. Just let me know ahead of time so I could prepare, take a nap, and all that good stuff. Anyways, so I got the black, and I don't remember how many sheets are in these stacks. Let me see. It doesn't say. It doesn't say how many is in it, but you get a good amount, guys. This is much. Maybe 20, maybe 25 even. I don't know. I don't know. Don't quote me. And then this is the red, white, and green, the Christmas stack. And girl, of course, I have to open it because, you know, I'm just like that girl. There, oh my gosh, a whole bunch. Ooh, I got 2 different greens, 2 different reds. Can you see it? And the thing with this Almost Perfect sale is that you get a variety. They don't exactly see how it's darker. One's darker, one's lighter. Ooh, I got 3. Oh, is that 4 different reds? What? Yeah, 4 different reds. 1, 2, 3, 4. What? I like. And then you get white. And you get the green, like a lime green. And a regular green. Oh my gosh, I love this. That is a great set of papers for Christmas. What? Oh yes, 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 yes. I am so happy with this prize. And of course, because, you know, you're trying it out, I had to pay a little bit because I wanted more. So I paid like $11 more because I wanted more than what was the gift. Because I want to try. I want to try. All right. So there's that. You got a good collection of red, white, and green. And then you get pink. And it's a variety of pink. It's not one pink. You get a collection of pink. So I'm going to take it out. Take it out, girl. Take it out. Look at all this pink you get. It's like a really pale pink and almost ivory pink. I want to say that like it looks almost ivory. But look at how many colors you get. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You get 6 pinks. That is amazing. for the price that I paid. Oh my gosh, nothing. I love it. Tamika, I love it. Oh my gosh. It was so much fun, you guys. So if you see this, if you see that they're having this crop again, I highly suggest you jump on it because we had so much fun. It was just hilarious. It was hilarious. And they do it Central Standard Time. So I don't know what the next one will be or if they will have another one, but I hope they do. Because if they do, I'm there. I'm all for it. Ooh. More chipboard. It's not chipboard. It's really thin chipboard, but I'm keeping that. I got 2 extra chipboards out of this purchase. Look at the purples for the grand finale. Oh my God, I am in love. These are so deep. I love a deep purple. Oh, you get the deep, you get the lavenders, you get the pale, pale purple. Oh my gosh. It's hard to see with the lighting, but you got dark one, almost a burgundy looking purple, and then a lavender, light lavender. These two are different colors. You can barely tell in this lighting, but there's 2 different purples there. Oh my God, I'm so happy. I'm so happy. You guys, check it out. Tmika, who is Scrap the World, and Natasha, who is Polite Creations. Please, please, please go check out them girls and give them a shout out. They are fabulous. Of course, everyone knows who they are already. I don't know why I assume that you don't know them. But they're fabulous. Fabulous. Thank you, ladies, for watching. Thank you all for sticking around and indulging my craziness. But I'll see you all on the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.